Hi everyone, I am Dr. A. Sedubadi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. I welcome you all in my video lecture series, the topic of types of casting process. So in last video, we discussed about the cell molding process. In this video, we will go to see the investment casting process. So what is investment casting process? So in this process, we are making the mold by the material of wax. So the wax is created a mold, and after creating the mold, the wax will be burned into the through by fires. So the wax will be eliminated or fired by the process and getting the mold by what is the shape and size of the wax. So the pattern are created in the wax materials. So the castings name like investment. So the cost of the casting is very high. So why we are using in this type of casting process? In a critical components, like for example, we are using a submersible pump. In submersible pump is the mainly used in the two parts. One is diffuser and another one is impeller. So these two parts have a curved blade shape inside the material. So this type of materials we are cannot make from the other type of process. But in this type of investment casting, the critical curvature areas and smoothness. So these all are created in investment casting process. First step we are making the wax by which type of shape and which type of casting we needed. The same type of wax will be created and attached in a stem. So the wax is the pattern. So this wax is assembled in a single line. So after that, the wax will be dipped into the refractory slurry solutions. So mostly in this type of solutions, we are making in the ceramic solutions. So ceramic powder will be mixed with water, and that will be getting the ratio of a consistence, and we assembled a wax patterns through a single bar. So the single bar will be having the provision of metal pouring areas. So after dipped into the slurry and wetted pattern will be dried after some times through furnaces. So this type of slurry coating is dried by using furnaces. So the furnace will be getting inside, set the temperature. So in this temperature, the ceramic coatings of wax pattern will be getting dried. So after the wax pattern is inside the coating of ceramics. So now the outer side will be showing only the ceramic solutions. So after removing the removing from the furnace, this pattern will this mold will be burned inside the waxes. So the waxes are get eroded from this slurry mold. So the coating of ceramic inside the wax pattern will be burned by the furnaces. So the inside wax will be fully removed and the cavities only created in the ceramic coatings. So now the ceramic coating inside we have a desired shape. So this will be fixed into the some sand materials for tight fitness. After pouring the metal inside the ceramic cover, so the desired shape will be molded by this investment castings. So in this casting, after we removed our solidified time, the inside have some ceramic materials fixed. For impellers, the impeller void areas will be filled by the ceramic materials. So these ceramic materials will be removed from the water jet pumps and or other water treatment processes. So after we getting the desired shape of the casting. So in this type of investment castings, we are mostly used in the high critical and high precision castings only. So this type of process will be proceed by the well-trained persons and well-trained technicians. So these castings are highly costly. So this type of castings will be produced in only a small quantity of precision items only. So I hope you understand what is investment casting process and how the mold will be created from waxes after removing the mold by using furnaces and getting mold inside the ceramic coatings. After molten metal will be poured and getting the desired shape of castings. Mostly this type of process will be used in the impellers and diffusers. Thank you.